Hello and welcome to Battlefield Ford in Manassas. Today we'll walk you through how to change the settings for some of Ford's key safety features, including pre-collision assistance and lane keeping. Today's vehicle is a 2021 Ford Mustang. Please note that some safety features and the way they're accessed can vary between Ford models. Using the buttons on your steering wheel, press the left arrow to bring up the main menu on your dashboard. Scroll down to Driver Assist and press OK. Now scroll down and click on PreCollision Assist. Here you can change sensitivity between high, normal, and low, determining how soon your vehicle will alert you to a possible collision. You can also toggle active braking on or off, depending on if you want your vehicle to brake for you when it senses that a collision is imminent. Back in the main menu, scroll down to the lane keeping system. Click Mode to let your vehicle know to alert you when you're out of your lane, gently aid you back into your lane, or both. You can also adjust the intensity between high, normal, and low, depending on how strong of a vibration you want your vehicle to give you when assisting you back into your lane. The system will remember the changes you make, so you won't have to reset them every time you turn it on. To experience these and many other features on your next Ford vehicle, visit us in Manassas, Virginia, and find out why it's just better at Battlefield.